As we continue with the creation of views course, let us also develop an understanding for charts for data visualization. As a practice, if I come back here, okay, what we see here is these are the different graphs that are available to us for creating a better view, or in terms of better data visualization for a view. Let us understand these charts first. Now this is for the normal text tables. So out here you can see here, like, in this case, if you select, we can see here that it needs one or more tables and one or more dimensions, one or more measures for text tables. If we come here, these are for heat maps. Again, we need one or more dimensions and one or two measures. So as we go down here across the tables, we can see that we will need at least minimum of one dimension and one measure. As we go, in case of symbol maps, there will be one. Now, in case of maps, you will need a geomap, which means a geographical map is necessary for us to create a symbol map. Okay. And then you'll need dimensions, and you'll also need measures. So in case of maps that we are seeing, the geographical map will be important and it will be needed. If you go to pie chart, again, pie chart is simple. You will simply need one or more dimensions and one or two measures. So as you go across the different types of charts and graphs that are available here, they will need the different. There will be a variability in the dimension and measures that need, but most of these will need at least one dimension or one measure. So supposedly, if I take this, okay, if we take, let's take Tech Mahindra, okay, let's take Tech M, okay, and I'll remove this. I'm removing this as well, okay, for your understanding. What I intend to do here is, now we do not have we have a dates table, fortunately. So I would like to generate a line, a continuous line or a discrete line chart, or for dual line chart. Let's see. We will not have dual line charts, but we'll have a continuous line chart. Let's try it. I need it with date and close price. Okay. Let's select close price for once. So what I'll do is I'll take date as what? Date will come on the x-axis. Or instead of being worried about the axis, this is the year date. Okay, let us take day date. Yeah, okay, we have the day dates. Okay, and out here we will select the open price. Now we are seeing this here. So out here it is giving us these options. Okay, depending upon the data that you import here or data that you add to the pane, not import actually, when you add to the pane, they will present the set of graphs that can be applied on the given data. So the day of the date is coming on the x-axis and the open price is coming on the y-axis. Now, this is what? This is for line, okay, single line. If I want to choose for discrete line or dual lines, what I'll do is I'll come here. This is for what? Open price. Now these are showing us as sums, right? Let us take the sum only of those values then. We can take the average values also, yeah. The average values are better, yeah. It will tell you on which day of the date, what is the particular date value that you have generated. On each of the dates, what is the average open price that we have. That is for the open price. Again, I'll go here and I'll take the high price out here on the rows. Now we see here that this is the sum. Let us reduce this to, let us change this to average price. So I come click on measure, scroll down and click on average. So what are we doing here is, on any particular date, okay, we can work towards getting the high price or the open price on any particular date. That is for, how do I put it? Yeah, that was for the high price. This is for the open price. If you want it for low price, I'll bring low price also out here. Again, we'll select the average values. We see there is a particular trend that we are observing here, here, and here. 13th, the average high price is available, average low price is available, average open prices. And then we also have the close price here. Yeah, so let's bring the close price also out. And again, we'll take the average for that. So let's scroll down to measure, select average here. Now, these all values that we are seeing here, they are for the discrete lines. If you want to make them into continuous, I'll click on continuous here. And these are the continuous lines that we are seeing here. Again, for the color or for the marks that we have here, let us select the size, or the path is given over here, right? This is the path. Line type is this. I click on size. Selected any mark here? No, we have not selected any mark. So never mind, but let's go for the color. So we can take the different colors for this or open price. If I come here, I can select here for the low price. Let us change the color to red. And for the high price, I'm changing the color here to green, maybe. Yeah, that seems fair. And yeah, these are the different colors that we are seeing pertaining to the different price types. But the day of the date is the same. We are getting the average price values here. So with these points in mind, what are we further trying to do is we are seeing, like, which all of these graph types are the best fit for the data that we have, or the data visualization that we are generating. Now again, for this particular data visualization for TechM, I can change this. I'll come here, date title. The sheet name is what? Oh wait, let's cancel. Let's rename it here. Rename it TechM price analysis. So we got the change here. And if I choose to make these, right click, and we shall try and we shall export this. Right click here, and can we summary here? Okay, this is the summary that you have generated. Come here, export as a version, or for this particular sheet, these are the price data that they have provided us with. If I close out here, now these are for all the dates that are available.